Good morning. Thank God it's Friday. U.S. futures are pointing higher this morning. S&P 500 futures are up 0.24%. Nasdaq futures up 0.29%. Dow futures higher by 0.20%. And the Russell 2000 futures ahead 0.18%. The 10-year Treasury yield is holding steady around 4.33%. Oil is flat at 63.45. Gold is down 0.275. And the dollar index is up 0.09% to 98.66. It's fifth straight daily gain, nearly 1% on the week. Over in Asia, it was a mixed close. The Nikkei finished basically unchanged, up 0.05%. The Hang Seng gained 0.93%, and the Shanghai rallied 1.45% to fresh multi-year highs. Europe opened mostly positive. The FTSE is up 0.08%. The DAX is higher by 0.14%, and the CAC 40 is up 0.26%. Data in the region showed Germany's economy contracted by 0.3% in Q2, sharper than an earlier read. UK consumer confidence improved to its best level since December, and French business sentiment held steady at 96. On the macro front, all focus today is on Fed Chair Jay Powell's speech at Jackson Hole. Markets are watching this closely for signals, a tone, anything on whether September will bring a rate cut. Odds have slipped from about 85% a week ago to closer to 70% today, with less than half a point of total easing now priced in for 2025. Other headlines: Reuters reports Nvidia has asked suppliers to halt production of China-focused H20 AI chip, and Beijing pressure adding to this week's tech volatility. And Japan's 30-year government bond yield hit a record high of 3.14%, raising concerns about global liquidity. The U.S. economic calendar is empty today, but next week heats up. New home sales and the Dallas Fed survey on Monday, durable goods and consumer confidence Tuesday, GDP revisions and jobless claims Thursday, and the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, the core PCE, on Friday. We're starting off in the green, but the real workout begins when Powell steps up to the podium. Until then, markets are just stretching under the bar. So stay disciplined, stay focused, stay profitable. I will see you at the close to go over what actually happened. God bless.